Ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about diabetes. What is exactly diabetes? Today at Koze Creole, we invite again Dr. Barthelemy, who is going to tell us exactly what is diabetes.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Barthelemy and today we're going to be talking about diabetes. What exactly is diabetes? Diabetes is a problem that occurs when you have too much quote-unquote sugar in the bloodstream. Now what exactly is sugar? When we say sugar, it's not the type of sugar that you would put in your tea or coffee to sweeten it, but it's the basic breakdown of any food product that you may eat. So whatever you eat, the body ultimately turns it into sugar as a basic breakdown. Then from the bloodstream, you would release insulin, and the insulin then stores the sugar into many different forms, whether it's protein, fats, and so forth. Certain foods that we eat are high in sugar, make it more easy for the body to turn it into sugar. Foods that are rich in carbohydrates. As Haitians, we all love our rice. Rice tend to be very high in carbohydrate and therefore more easily turned into sugar. Brown rice is much better for you than white rice because of the high sugar content, high carbohydrate content of white rice. Now, when someone says they are diabetic, what does that mean? That means that the body is not using insulin efficient enough, or you have too much quote-unquote sugar in the bloodstream. This generally occurs in Western countries or times when we have lots of food where we don't tend to moderate our eating. Now, if this starts to happen to you, is there anything you can do about it? Yes. There are things that you can do to reduce the sugar content of your bloodstream, for example. We can eat foods that tend to be less rich in carbohydrates or make it more difficult for the body to turn it into sugar. Foods, again, like rice, white bread, or any processed foods tend to be worse off for you. Natural foods generally are better. The other thing that we can do is we can increase our exercise. As we exercise more, the body becomes more efficient of taking sugar out of our bloodstream and using it better. As we lose more weight, our body becomes more efficient also. Third thing that we do, there's also medication that we can take. Initially, we'll start with pills. These pills tend to, again, repeat some of the things your body would have done naturally to reduce the quote-unquote sugar content of your bloodstream. If we do these things normally, we tend to do better. However, if we fail or for various reasons or not as efficient in it, then the next step would be to take insulin. Insulin, again, is something I mentioned that our body provides naturally. However, if it fails to do so, we can artificially give it to the body to help the body control the sugar content of our blood. Again, if you're diagnosed with diabetic, it is not a death sentence. There are many things that you can do to improve your overall well-being. Thank you.